Well, student, let's start our chapter number 4. That is your HTML second. In our previous chapters, we had studied the basic of HTML. How will we just create an HTML document? How will we just see our web pages after the creations? We just learn key what is tag, element, attributes. How will we just use the tags, different tags, elements, and their attributes? Okay, so many tags we had studied. Now in this chapter also we all are going to study some more text also, like images, links, and tables. How will we just insert image in our HTML web pages? Okay, how will we just create links in our web pages, and how will we just insert tables? How will we just insert tables in our web pages? So this chapter is also going to very important. You all have to learn these things very sincerely. Okay, so first topic is you're coming inserting images. So tell me, students, tell me, what is the importance of image? Why we just use image anywhere? Why we
सर
just use image anywhere? Tell me.
मोर अट्रैक्टिव करने के लिए सर बनाए.
To make the things attractive, to make the things
यस सर,
attractive. Anything else?
अट्रैक्टिव.
Effective. ठीक है ना? For the effective purpose also we use what? Image. ठीक है? And
यस सर.
any other any other use of image?
Understandable.
To make the things
Understandable.
understandable also, to make the things understandable also. ठीक है? Suppose that I am just speaking and you all are listening, understanding the things, but still you need book. But still you need book to make the things clear. To make the things clear. So similarly, if you want to make anything clear, understandable, effective, attractive, also you can say that we use what? Images. We use images. ठीक है? तो in HTML also we will use images to make the things clear, understandable, attractive. ठीक है? For that purpose, for all these purpose, we use what? Image. For all this purpose, we use what? Image. ठीक है? And for that we have to use img tag. For that we have to use what? Img tag. ठीक है? For that img, it is an empty tag. It is an empty tag.
सर
What is?
जेपीजी को नहीं इमेज करता सर. एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ, I am telling. Wait, Krishna, I am telling. IMG tag. ठीक है? IMG tag is your empty tag. So tell me the definition of empty tag. Tell me
Those
the
tags which have only opening tag, not any closing tag.
हाँ, ठीक है? The tag which has only opening tag, not
Which have only opening
tag,
tag.
that is known as what? Empty tag. ठीक है? It contains the attributes. It contains the only attributes. It contains only attributes, not the closing tag. Not the closing tag. ठीक है? तो image has as we know that image saved in different formats. Image saved in our devices. ठीक है? In different formats like JPEG, JPG, and XBM. ठीक है? GIF also. GIF stand for graphic interchange format. Graphic interchange format.
ग्राफिक इंटरफेस.
JPEG, we know that it very well. JPEG, joint photographic export group. Joint photographic export group. ठीक है? Some JPG also. ठीक है? XBM, you can check your book.
सर.
हाँ.
यस सर, वहाँ पे XBM दिया है.
XBM.
XBM.
हाँ, that it stands for X bitmap. It is also your format of image. ठीक है? It is also format of image. ठीक है ना? That is stored in our storage devices. ठीक है? तो so many format
इसका यूज कहाँ होता
we will see. ठीक है? Mostly we will use the JPEG format and JPG format only. JPEG and JPG format only we will see. ठीक है? Clear to everyone?
है? यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Divya, ask. What are you asking?
JPEG और JPG का full form.
Joint photographic export group. Joint photographic export group is the full form of your JPEG. ठीक है? And JPEG, joint photograph group. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear na? Definition is
Sir,
clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's proceed for the next things. ठीक है? तो as we know that कि
JPG को एक बार और बता दीजिए.
joint photographic export group. Joint Photographic Expert Group, full form. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, आगे पढ़ाइए.
So many other format also. Sometimes we will see PNG also. PNG, Portable Network Graphic. PNG stands for, you can write anywhere if you want to write PNG. What is PNG? Portable Network Graphics.
Portable.
Portable Network Graphics you can see. ठीक है? PNG also. So many others also. ठीक है? So but we have to use only JPEG and JPG. ठीक है? JPEG in short it is known as JPEG, in short known as JPG. Clear?
सर XDM क्या होता है ये?
It is also image format. It is also your image format.
XBit map.
हाँ. Clear?
सर एक बार करके दिखा देंगे वो वाला
हाँ, I am
XDM
showing.
वाला.
हाँ, I am showing each and everything I will show.
तो इसका यूज JPG और JPG में होता
हाँ,
है
we
ना.
will mostly we will see JPEG and JPG only. ठीक है?
No sir, मैंने नहीं कुछ लिखा.
सर GIF में नहीं होता है. GIF में.
हाँ?
सर GIF में नहीं होता है, GIF में.
होता है यार, सब
It will
होता है.
contains. It will contain, but that format must be stored in your computer system, na? Then you will use that location. ठीक है? So that
Sir,
must be
PNG क्या
installed.
होता है?
PNG is also your image format, just like similar to your JPEG. JPEG is a format, na? JPEG is
Yes,
a image
sir.
format. So similarly, PNG
Yes.
PNG is also your image
P-
format.
पर फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है उसका PNG का?
PNG
Portable
हाँ,
network
network
graphics.
graphics. Clear?
WABP भी होता है ना?
So many formats you will see. So many formats you will get. ठीक है? Most commonly used format is your JPEG or JPG. ठीक है? Sometimes GIF also. GIF it stands for graphical interface format. Graphical interface format. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am showing with the help of coding कि how will you insert an image in your HTML document. ठीक है ना? तो for that I am going to share screen. ठीक है? Share. For that we have to open what? Notepad. Come type Notepad. Open
सर अभी क्या
Notepad.
दिखा रहे थे, यही ना?
हाँ. Notepad. Format. Font.
और
Increase the size. I am increasing the size. 40. ठीक है? Start with what? HTML. Then what?
Head.
Then
title.
Title.
My first web page. Inserting image.
an image. Close what?
Title.
Then close
Second.
head.
Head.
Body.
Body.
Then what? Suppose that I am using only what? I am image. Image. ठीक है? We will get one attribute SRC, that is known as a source. That is known as what? Source. It is used for the location.
SRC क्या है?
SRC, हाँ, SRC attribute is used for the source. Source means for location.
Source.
हाँ, SRC stands for source. ठीक है? And it is used for the location. To specify the location of the image, we use what? SRC. Hey, किसका ये आवाज कर रहा है? To specify the location of the image.
आपकी वॉइस
हाँ?
बहुत स्लो है.
हेलो?
सही है सर, उसका नेटवर्क.
ठीक है सर.
हाँ. To specify the location of image, ठीक है? We use what? SRC attribute.
SRC.
हाँ, SRC attribute. To specify the location of the image, we use SRC attributes. As we know that SRC, then after we use equal to sign and double quotation mark. ठीक है? Choose any pictures of your choice. Sample picture. I am taking here penguin.
उसका लोकेशन सर कर लेंगे।
हाँ, for penguin right click, come on the property section, come on the property section, ठीक है। in general
Copy
terms,
their location.
हाँ, just select the location, ठीक है, and copy and after copy come to
Paste.
our notepad,
Paste
ठीक है,
in
हाँ,
SRC.
control V, it is pasted na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then after we have to use what?
Backward
Backward slash. Don't forget, we have to use what?
Forward
Backward,
slash.
not forward, backward slash. We have to use what?
Backward slash.
हाँ,
Backward slash.
backward
Yes,
slash.
sir.
Come again to your location. Take the name. Take the name.
Name penguin
Yeah, हाँ, penguin. So just copy from here. Copy. I'm just copying here. ठीक है ना?
and paste here
Come to your notepad. Come to your notepad. ठीक है?
and
Here.
paste, sir.
And then after what? At the last, what we have to do?
Dot JPG. Dot JPG.
Dot
Dot JPG, sir.
JPG. We have to give the.
G.
Sir, comma.
हाँ? Oh, sorry.
Sir. Dot.
हाँ, it is dot.
Comma.
Then after we have to close what?
Body.
Body.
And
Sir, forward slash.
HTML.
Yes, sir.
ST.
close.
HTML close.
Close your work. ठीक है? Close your work. Choose the location. What? Desktop. We will choose the location desktop ना?
Desktop.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. And then after give any name. ठीक है? Apple. Suppose that I am saving my image with the name of Apple. Dot
HTML.
ठीक है? Now press the save your work. Come on the desktop. Come on the desktop. It is your Apple na?
Yes, sir.
Looking to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now your image
Yes,
is
sir.
inserted. Looking to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Looking to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Anyone facing any problem? All can do. Suppose that you are doing this thing in your computer, mobile phone with the help of any writer, with the help of any writer apps. So just do the same thing. Just do the same thing. Only you have to take care of location. Only you all have to take care of location. If you give
Location.
correctly, definitely your image will be inserted. I am sure about this. If you
तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि मल्टी हेलो
हाँ
तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मल्टी इमेज को अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे वो करे इंसर्ट करे
for that you have to reduce the size of the image. For that you have to reduce the
Sir,
size.
वो आगे आएगा.
You have to reduce the size of your image. If the size of the image is low, means ki less,
Small.
it will automatically start repeating. Here,
एक बार कोडिंग दिखा दीजिए.
I am showing
दो
you.
इमेज का सर कॉपी कर देंगे. दो इमेज
तो
कॉपी
फिर तो
करके
साइड रिड्यूस करेंगे हेलो
हाँ
सर फिर तो साइड रिड्यूस करेंगे तो वही इमेज को बार बार देगा ना
हाँ,
अलग
हाँ,
अलग इमेज
no.
लेके
So for that you have to prepare that image, na. Such type of image if you want, so you have to give. Suppose that you want a different image. Those want to insert different image. That is your question, na. In small
Yes,
size.
sir.
Okay, so for that you have to mention the location of each and every image. Getting my point?
या
For that you have to mention location of every image in your HTML coding.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? And the same image you want to repeat, so for that you have to reduce the size of your image. Clear?
यस
Yes, sir.
क्या किए तो ये आ गया पिक्चर
हाँ?
पिक्चर्स वाला एक बार और बताइए इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के बाद
SRC. First of all, take care of your SRC. You have to write SRC. SRC stands for
so
source.
specify the location of the
हाँ, SRC stands for source.
Source, sir.
ठीक है, तो this attribute, listen what I am saying. This attribute of img tag is used to specify the location of the image. This attribute of img tag is used to specify the location of the
Image.
image. ठीक है ना? Clear?
Location of the image.
हाँ, location of the image. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then after we
Yes,
know
sir.
that we have to use equal to sign and double quotation. ठीक है, in between double quotation we have to mention the location of the image. We have to mention the location of the image. So for that we will open an image. For that we will open an image. ठीक है, like I am opening here, but penguin. I have sample picture. Right click, properties, then it is the location of your image, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
For that, you have to copy. You have to copy that location. That's just select, right click and copy. It is copied, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then after what you have to do? You have to come on your what? Coding, and then you will
Load.
do here. Okay. You will
Paste.
you will do paste. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And then after we have to use this symbol. That is your what? Backward slash. Backward
Backward
slash.
slash. Then after give the name of image. Give name of your what?
सर
Image.
फिर से सैंपल
हाँ. Dot
And
JPG.
image.
You will move to your sample image. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
You will get your name.
And
image
copy
there
her
from here.
name.
Once again, you have to copy from here. Right click. and
Yes,
choose
sir.
Copy option. Come to your
Copy the
HTML
name of the
coding.
image.
ठीक है. And just paste here. And then put what? At the last, we will put what?
Dot JPG. Dot JPG.
Dot JPG. Clear to everyone?
G. Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
SRC. Use of SRC attribute. Use of SRC. Use of SRC attribute is clear to everyone, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All 64 students. Clear to everyone, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ.
चुप रहो यार.
Yes, hello.
सर इन्वर्टेड कमा के बाद क्या कर रहे हैं वो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है मुझे.
What are you saying? Divya, tell me.
इन्वर्टेड कमा के CR उसके बाद से इन्वर्टेड कमा
I
है
am
तो
doing
उसमें
once
क्या
again.
करना है?
See, I am doing the same thing again. ठीक है? It is your inverted comma, double inverted comma.
Yes, sir.
Clear? ठीक है? Come for the picture. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? You will open any picture. Suppose that I am using here cola. For cola, we have to right click on that image. Come on the property section. Come on the property.
And copy your location.
Divya, clear to you?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Then just select this location. Clear?
Copy.
Yes, sir.
Right click on it.
And
You will
paste
get
on
the
notepad.
copy option. Copy clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है? Then come to your notepad. Come to your notepad. Okay. Just do paste.
And paste.
Paste your work. Paste your copy. Do. It is pasted.
And again
Sir.
paste her name.
Backward
Take the backward slash. Take the backward slash.
backward slash.
And again go to your location section. Go to your location section.
And
Okay,
paste
we
her
have to-
name.
We have to choose. We have to take the name of image. Name of the image. For that, you will choose this this column.
टाइप
ठीक है ना?
कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, you can type also.
टाइप भी तो कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल, definitely. If you are not capable for copy, if you by any mistake, if you are not able, ठीक है, or you are not able to copy, then you will type your work. ठीक है, type your detail.
जो नाम यहाँ पड़ेगा वही नाम लिखेंगे.
Same thing. We have to mention. We have to use the same thing. ठीक है ना? Same thing in the sense.
Same letter.
We have to take care of
Same
capital letter and small letter. Whatever is given, we have to take care of the space also. ठीक है ना? तो copy and paste is the best option. ठीक है? To avoid mistake, copy and paste is the best option. Clear, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divya,
Yes,
clear?
sir.
What I am? Everything is clear, not till this time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. सुन
ठीक
रहे
है.
हैं.
Then after what we have to do? Paste. खोला.
Paste.
ठीक है. Then what? Dot
Dot
JPG.
Dot JPG, sir.
Divya, clear ना?
Yes, sir.
Save your work. ठीक है? Save your work and come to your web page.
Next question.
Class चलते हैं.
Clear? Divya, clear?
मैं जागी हो.
Sir, clear हो गया.
चलो. तो any doubt to any student? Krishna, mute yourself.
बाबा को चाहे क्लास.
Krishna, mute yourself. Any doubt to anyone? This Dipanshu Tiwari.
No, sir.
Okay. हाँ.
सर इमेज सर कोडिंग सही से करते हैं, उसके बाद वेब पेज पे सर इमेज आता ही नहीं है, लिखता है कि
No, no, you are doing something wrong. It is, I am 110% sure. If you are doing the same thing, it will definitely come.
Sir,
It will definitely come. So try to avoid the mistake. Take care of your location. Okay? If you still you have a problem, so you just send me your code and picture, HTML code and a web page.
ठीक है
Okay? Then I will see. Yes. Who is asking?
सर हम लोग में तो बैकग्राउंड के लिए भी तो ऐसे ही इमेज
हाँ, same thing. हाँ,
लेते थे ना।
हाँ. Same process. But this time we are using what? Image. Image, not for the background.
है ना
Huh? Yes,
सर,
Sudhani, yes.
इसमें हम लोग अपना टेक्स्ट में डाल सकते हैं।
हाँ, you will write. ठीक है ना? IMG tag. Listen the definition of your IMG tag. IMG tag of HTML is used to insert text, insert image. ठीक है? Inline image. This word is your inline. Inline in the sense कि along with the text we can insert what? Image also. Image. Getting my point? Inline image.
Yes,
we can insert inline image. I am showing something. ठीक है? Suppose that you have your text also. ठीक है? You have your text also. Ram is a
Good boy.
good boy. ठीक है? It is your text ना? You will see the changes in your web page. Looking this, Ram is a good boy.
Yes.
सर इमेज के ऊपर ले सकते हैं ना,
हाँ?
इमेज के ऊपर।
हाँ, तो you have to use H1, then we will mention this and that things ना. ठीक है? We will give
बताइए।
the alignment also. Then we will write. Clear?
सर क्या
Yes, sir.
इसमें?
हाँ?
तो बता दीजिए।
What?
okay, sir, okay. Center.
Centralized headline.
सर इंटर कर
Center.
लिखे हैं वहाँ पे, सेंटर होगा
Center
ना?
होगा।
Looking your text in center.
Yes,
Student.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ठीक है ना? तो
Yes,
we know that
sir.
it very well. How will we just insert our insert text? ठीक है? How will we just change the size, this and that? ठीक है? How will we just set the alignment also? Clear this? SRC is clear to everyone ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You all can insert image ना? You all can insert image?
सर एक बार
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोडिंग दिखा दीजिए।
Oh, I am showing coding.
और अब alt attribute बता दीजिए।
हाँ,
सर वो नहीं,
हाँ.
तो इमेज के ऊपर।
Image. This one.
सर वो बोल रहा है कि इमेज के ऊपर लिखना होना चाहिए।
डिटेल भी देख सकते हैं।
यस
बोला
सर।
कि-
हाँ।
No.
Image के ऊपर
For
कैसे
that we have to
राम
use
ने तो बोला।
for that we have to edit image. If you want to write anything, ठीक है, over the image, for that we have to first edit the image. Getting? ठीक है ना?
Sir, we have not coding for this.
No. There is no any coding regarding this. Clear?
ओके सर।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? Next attribute is coming your alt attribute. Next attribute is coming your what? Alt attribute. ठीक है? Alt means होता है, alt stands for alternate. Alt stands for what?
Alternate text.
Alternate. हाँ, alternate text.
Alternate.
हाँ, if you want to specify alternate text, for that we use what? Alt attribute of your alt attribute of img tag. Alt attribute of img tag. This attribute of img tag is used to insert text, ठीक है, in place of what? Image. Suppose that, ठीक है, in any case your image is not looking, your image is not coming, ठीक है, any problem is occurring, any problem is occurring. ठीक है, तो in such conditions what we will see? We will see some text. We will see some text. Getting my point? What I want to say, student? What I am saying, you all are getting.
Yes, sir. Yes,
In any
sir.
case, suppose that in any case your image is not is not looking in your web page. Okay, due to any error, due to any mistake, your image is not looking in your web page. So in such condition, okay, if we want to show any text, okay, so for that we use what alt attribute to mention that text. Okay, just see.
स्पेलिंग गलत है सर.
I am
सर
using
बी के जगह वी हो गया.
I am using a text that is Devasthali. That is your Devasthali. Okay? And I am doing something mistake. Mistake here. Mistake in the sense I am giving the location wrong. At the place of P, I am writing Y. So it is wrong, na?
यस सर.
Yes,
तो
sir.
साइड दिखाएगा.
Ha. It will not. It will image will not insert in your HTML web page.
नो सर.
Yes,
Sure?
sir.
नो सर.
Sure, na? Image will not show.
यस सर.
Okay. So in place of image, what we will see?
देवस्थली.
Devasthali.
देवस्थली.
See the effect. Looking Devasthali?
यस सर.
यस सर.
Clear to everyone, na?
तो
What is the use of this
लिख के
attribute?
बगल में
Art
सर.
attribute.
सर सर.
हाँ,
सर देवस्थली के बगल में इमेज का सर छोटा सा सर लोगो है सर.
हाँ, that represents you are doing wrong. ठीक है ना? It represents कि here is an image, but location is not correct. Any mistake is there.
यस सर.
ठीक है?
यस सर.
And see, when we just do the correction, ठीक है? Your image automatically comes and that text will disappear. Getting? ठीक है ना?
Sir, where is the text?
It is hide.
बिहाइंड द
Hide. हाँ, ठीक है ना? That is used. That comes only at that
Sir,
time
when remove the.
when image is not inserted.
Yes sir. When
ठीक है, ये
image
आपको
is
जब भी
removed,
लिसन,
then
ये आपको
it
जब भी
will
दिखाई देगा
appear.
वो अल्टरनेट टेक्स्ट का यूज क्या होता है ये जान लो कि इमेज जब तक अपलोड नहीं होगा तब तक वो आपको टेक्स्ट दिखाई देगा. जैसे आपका इमेज आ जाएगा वो टेक्स्ट क्या हो जाएगा, डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. आ रही बात समझ में?
हाइड हो जाएगा.
हाँ, वो हाइड हो
sir.
जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली.
Yes,
by any reason, if image is not uploading, by any reason your image is not uploading or taking time in uploading, so in that conditions your alternate text will appear. Getting?
यस सर.
Okay, clear to everyone, na?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you all can perform this. ठीक है, you all can do this as a practical. Only 10 minutes left, so I want to show the align attribute. What is the use of align attribute? Tell me, student, what is the use of align attribute? Tell me, what is the use of align attribute? Huh?
Alternate.
To set the position.
Set the position of an image. To set the position of image, we use what? Align attribute. We know that it very well. Align attribute is used to specify the position of text or image also. Okay, if we are using this attribute along with ing tag, so means it is for image. Clear? So many
Yes, sir.
attributes we have: top, middle, bottom, left and right. So by default we will we get the left side left aligned image. Okay, if you want to just change any alignment, so we have to mention. Suppose that I want just see my image that start from the right side, so use this attribute right.
Actually, I showed in right.
Right. ठीक है, align right. Your image looking from right side, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Diya, what are you saying?
पहले से ही राइट.
No. By default, we will get from the left side. If you want to make any change, then we have to use this attribute, align attribute, okay? And it will work. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
other,
sir.
if any other changes you want to see, so like suppose that you want left, right, top,
Center.
top.
सर जस्टिफाई अलाइनमेंट एक होता है ना,
It will not support here. ठीक है ना? For the image it will not support.
सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा।
ठीक है? At the top you will get.
ओके सर।
ठीक है? It is at top.
सर उसको तो स्टार्टिंग में भी कर सकते हैं ना,
मिडिल और
हाँ हाँ,
सेंटर
you can use it. हाँ
align attribute.
हाँ, we can use. Middle means what? Tell me student, what do you mean by middle?
Pitch.
Center.
Center. ठीक है ना?
Center, sir.
In place of center.
Center,
ठीक है?
sir.
We will use what? Middle.
Middle.
It is not working.
Center है।
Center. Not center.
सेंटर
क्यों नहीं सपोर्ट कर रहा है सर मिडिल?
If you want to just center your image, then use the center tag. We have to use the center tag. Not supporting your align attribute of MG tag is not supporting. Means HTML is not supporting.
top होगा ना,
Because it is the
top
image,
हाँ?
left
क्योंकि
top
इमेज
button।
सर इमेज पे नहीं सपोर्ट करता है ना।
Bottom. Not supporting.
नहीं करेगा सर,
नहीं,
बॉटम पे भी
हाँ.
नहीं करेगा सर, इमेज पे सपोर्ट नहीं करता है।
सेंटर टेक का यूज करना पड़ेगा।
तो टेक्स्ट आता है तो सपोर्ट कर लेता है।
Suppose that you want to center your image, then use center from here. Center, come at end. Center. Save your work. Now your image in center, na?
Yes sir।
Like
Yes,
that
yes,
we will-
How
like that we will.
sir, how?
By using your center tag.
using center alignment.
ओके सर।
माते पंखवा देखा, पंखवा तेज कर देब ना तो जान निकल, वो तो गलती हो गई।
Sir,
Yes.
करना सुना तो हम भाई।
RCS Yadav.
Sir.
Who is this stupid? You don't have sense. How to take class? Yes, Sneha, ask. What is your question?
सर जो alt attribute का यूज किए हैं उसमें जो कैरेक्टर्स दे रहे हैं वो कितना भी हम लोग दे सकते हैं।
हाँ, it's up to you.
10
There is no any limitation.
204 दे रहे हैं सब कुछ।
हाँ?
10204।
Ah, 1024 characters. Sorry, 1024 characters. 1024 maximum 1024 characters we use as a attributes. Attribute characters. ठीक है? In our alt attribute. Clear? Sneha, clear?
ओके
सर
हाँ, कृष्णा, ask.
सर जहाँ आप लेफ्ट एंड राइट अलाइनमेंट बुक में बताया ना सर, उसके नीचे सर है सर स्टार जीफ करके सर।
हाँ? That is the location of the
एक
image. That is the location of your image.
ओके सर।
That is location. So well, student, just try all. Try to insert image. ठीक है? Use these 2-3 attributes in your image, and I hope you all
इसमें कोडिंग दिखा
all
दीजिए।
can do. Yes, I am showing. All can do. If you get any type of problem,
शाम को भेज दूंगा सर।
हाँ, if you get any problem, just consult to me. Send me your detail. I will definitely try to rectify your errors. Whatever is your error, I will try to rectify. Clear to everyone?
यस सर।
यस सर।
सर हाइट और विड्थ पढ़ना है सर, हाइट और विड्थ
हाँ,
एट्रीब्यूट।
in next class we will discuss.
ओके सर। सर लेकिन सेंटरिंग एंड इमेज पढ़े हैं हम।
हाँ हाँ